Hey everyone, it's Desiree and I am here with Rubber Stamp Tapestry, and we are going to use one of their peg stamp sets that has been around for a while, and it is called Brambly Rose. It is a great stamp set. We've got two different sizes of roses, and we've got a great greenery piece, and we've got a branch. So this has been around for a while. As always, it'll be linked down below. Remember, you have your registry, and you'll know which way the stamp will go down onto your paper as long as you know where that registry is. I've pulled out a couple shades of green for the greenery sections, and I'm using my Desiree K ink pads. Now, I'm creating like a trellis type, not a trellis, a drop down of these rose vines. That's what I'm looking to do. So I didn't draw any lines. I'm just coming in. I'm stamping with the two colors. I'm going to make sure the top part is filled in at the top so that it just looks like these vines are coming down. Again, that is the beauty of these peg stamps. They are very versatile. You can do so much with them. You can start to draw, or you can start out your image by you drawing a scene and then just following that with these peg stamps. I've now chosen 3 shades of pink into a red when it comes to the roses. I will start out with the larger size. And then I will go into the smaller size of the stamps just to fill in this this space that I have, because the sentiment is going to go down into the bottom. Because of the challenge that the world is facing right now, you know, a lot of times people, you know, they couldn't get together for Mother's Day. You know, phone calls were made and everything else. So this is actually going to be a Mother's Day card. Somebody had approached and said, you know, yeah, I need a Mother's Day card. And I'm looking at them like, yeah, I know, I'm a week behind. So they're actually going to be doing a video with her mom, and she's going to at least be able to show her the card. So she just wanted something done with roses, and I thought it was a perfect time to make this one using these stamps, because they are beautiful, and this set can create a beautiful border that goes onto your card. The panel that I'm working on is cut 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I'm just having, as you can see, way too much fun filling this in. After the roses were done being stamped, I'm then coming in with the branch type image, and I'm using a Desiree K color charcoal brown, just to fill in and kind of break up all of that brightness, but just also creating those links. The stamp that I'm using is a red rubber stamp, but I believe, and if again what I have that will be linked down below will be the set that's available into the set. Since these are design team projects, there are times where the products that I am receiving are the prototype type things. So, you know, they could have been things that were set up for the distribution and so forth. So you can see the font is very simple, but yet elegant at the same time. So I pulled out my iridescent sequins because if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know that they are truly a staple within my stash, and I use them often. So I'm going to use my wax pencil to pick them up, and I'm putting a sequin in the center of each of the large roses, just to give a little bit of shimmer and accent. The reason why I love the iridescent sequins is because they will change color. You can see that on dark colors, they will have a green or a blue tint to them. However, once I put them on the rose, they actually will show the pink towards purple hint to them. So they will adapt to the color that they are sitting on or near. And that's something that I like. That, to me, that just makes it versatile for everything that we're doing. I'm going to get my card base set up. I have cardstock that's cut 4 1/4 by 11. And I keep that stored by me in both colors and also in white and ivory. But white is the one that I use the most. I'm going to use my scoreboard to score that at 5.5 to make this a standard A2 size card base. That is a top folding card. I'm going to make sure that is secured down using my liquid adhesive. And that is the card for today. So I do hope you enjoyed today's project using the Rubber Stamp Tapestry Brambly Rose peg stamp set. Again, very versatile, and you can do a lot with these peg stamp sets. As always, everything that I use will be linked down below in the video description. If you're on mobile, just click the arrow down that you'll see under the video to the right, or if you're on your computer, just click below the video that says show more to show those links. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave those down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Continue enjoying each and every day, everyone. Continue to have a smile. But by all means, continue to stay safe and healthy. We will get through this together. But as always, what is most important for me, and what does definitely help myself to get through this, and I hope I am too for you, always be creative. Take care, everyone.